Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Putra Dharma, and today I want to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. In my opinion, smoking in the campus area is a serious problem. A university is a place for learning, growing, and building a better future. But when people smoke around campus, it creates a negative environment. First, smoking affects health not only the smoker but also for others around them. Passive smoking is dangerous. Students who don't smoke still breathe in the smoke, and that's unfair, I think. Second, smoking makes the campus dirty. Cigarette butts are everywhere. On the ground, in the garden, even near the campus. Even near the classroom. It shows the respect to the campus and to the other student. Third, smoking can influence others to start smoking when younger students see seniors smoking freely. They might think it's normal or cool, but it's not. Smoking is addictive and harmful. I believe the campus should have a clear no smoking policy. There should there should be signs and maybe a special smoking area far from classroom and public space. We need to protect our health and keep our campus clean. So so let's work together to make our campus a better place, clean, health, and respect. Thank you for listening to my opinion. Hello everyone. Let's start. My name is Jeremy Putra Dharma, and it's okay. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense describe action that happen regularly, facts that are always true, and schedule even. We use this tense to talk about things that do not change, such as routines, habit, and general truth. Common use: daily routine, general truth, timetable, and schedule. If something happens again and again or is always true, we use the simple present. Formula is subject plus base verb plus is as for he, she, it. For example, I work in a bank, he works in a bank. Most subject we use the base verb, but for he, she, or it, we add s or e and is. Negative sentence structure. Subject plus do or does not plus base verb. For example, I don't like I do not like spicy food. She does not eat meat. To make a negative sentence, we use do not or does not, followed by the base verb. Question sentence structure. Do or does plus subject plus base verb. For example, do you play guitar? Does he study English? To ask question, we start with do or does, then the subject, then the base verb. Subject verb agreement. I, you, we, they, it's base verb. And he, she, it, verb plus s or es. This is a key rule. The verb changes depending on the subject. Verb ending rules. Add s imply for plays, at is in go for goes. Change yet to es. For example, study for studies. Some verbs follow special spelling rules. When we add s or s, pay attention to endings like y or o. Examples with I, you, we, they. I eat breakfast. Second, we live in Jakarta. Third, they play football. The subject use the best form of the verb, no change are needed. Examples with he, she, it. First, he drinks coffee. Second, she watches movies. Third, it barks loudly. For the subjects, we must add s or is to the verb. Negative examples. First, I do not watch TV. Second, he does not like chocolate. Third, they do not swim. Notice that the verb stays in base form after do not or does not. Yes or no question. Do you like music? Does she speak French? With do or does at the beginning, the verb stays in base form. WH question. What do you do? Second, where does he live? Third, when do they arrive? Use question words like what, where, when, and who, then follow with do or does plus subject plus verb. Time expressions. Common parts every day, on Monday, in morning. These parts help show how often something happens. They are often used with the simple present. Adverbs of frequency. For example, always, usually, often, sometimes, never. These adverbs describe how often an action happens. They usually come before the verb. Spelling tips. Verbs ending in y change to is. Verbs ending o, ch, sh, x, and s. Spelling rules are important to avoid mistakes when using he, she, or it. Third person singular. He, she, it always needs verb plus s or es. This is the most common mistake student makes. Always check your subject. Do versus does. Use do for I, you, we, they. Use does for he, she, it. This affect but negative sentence and question. Do not forget the difference. Common mistakes. Incorrect. She go to school. Correct. She goes to school. And then incorrect. I does not like it. Correct. I don't like it. These are very common errors. Always check your verb and subject. Consolation. Simple present is used for habits and fakes. Use correct structure. Practice regularly. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this helps you understand the simple present tense better. And thank you.